Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is the MIPS assembly language statement corresponding to this machine instruction 0 multiplied by 00 AF 8020? And the answer of the question is to convert the machine instruction 0 multiplied by 00 AF 8020 into MIPS assembly language. You need to break down the instruction into its opcode and operands. The opcode for this instruction is 0 multiplied by 00 AF and the function code is 0 multiplied by 20. The MIPS assembly language statement corresponding to this machine instruction is assembly add T7, T5, T6. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.